Are you ready to uncover the secret to attracting wealth? It's an art that only a select few have mastered, which is why they're the ones sitting on piles of cash. Ever wondered why 90% of the money belongs to just 10% of the population? There's something incredible that sets these individuals apart, and today we're going to reveal it to you. Trust me when I say that once you grasp this important yet surprisingly simple concept, abundance will flow into your life like never before. I personally experienced this mind-bending revelation while following the teachings of the renowned Bob Proctor. So make sure to stick around until the very end of this video to extract every ounce of potential from this game-changing methodology. Get ready to unlock the secret to manifesting the prosperity you've always desired. Let's dive in and first understand about the power of mindset. When it comes to achieving financial success, understanding the wealth mindset is key. Bob Proctor, a best-selling author and speaker known for his work on the law of attraction and the power of the human mind, has shared valuable insights on this topic. One important aspect of the wealth mindset is gratitude. Proctor emphasizes that gratitude operates on a higher frequency than negative emotions like anger or disappointment. When we acknowledge and appreciate the good things in our lives, such as our families, our passions, and our ambitions, we attract more of those good things into our lives. Gratitude is a powerful tool for attracting abundance. It's crucial to be grateful for what we have even in difficult moments. Life throws us roadblocks and challenges, but it's in these moments that we need to find gratitude. By focusing on what we have instead of what we lack, we shift our mindset and open ourselves up to opportunities and abundance. Proctor also highlights that money doesn't discriminate based on background, skin color, or beliefs. To make money, it's important to understand and follow the rules. Success in the financial realm requires acquiring the necessary skills, working hard, and having a mindset that aligns with wealth creation. The wealthy have a different way of thinking. They understand the principles of abundance and the law of attraction. They are not afraid to think big and take risks. Proctor encourages individuals to find their purpose and not waste time on activities that don't align with their goals. Daring to stand out and not being afraid to fail are key traits of those who have achieved financial success. Let's dive deep into the mindset of rich and successful people. Rich people have a different way of thinking about money, wealth, themselves, other people, and life. They adopt a positive attitude and focus on doing the right thing. They understand that taking action is crucial for success, as analysis and planning alone won't yield results. They also recognize that money is not the ultimate answer, but it is important to have a healthy mindset around wealth and abundance. Friends, it's important to take ownership of your financial situation and not rely on making excuses or blaming external factors for financial stagnation. Recognizing that you have the power to change your financial circumstances is empowering. While analysis and planning for your financial growth is important, it should not be the sole focus. Taking action and implementing strategies to improve your financial situation is key. This may involve seeking guidance from financial planners or experts to develop a personalized plan for financial success. Overcoming financial challenges requires a proactive mindset and a willingness to make necessary changes. It's important to understand that you are responsible for the quality of your life, including your financial status. External factors don't have the final say. You have the power to change your life. It's about daring to stand out, not being afraid to fail, and being willing to put in the effort to achieve ultimate wealth and success. Money has the power to magnify our true essence, whether it be positive or negative traits. It can amplify our generosity, kindness, and ability to make a positive impact on the world. On the other hand, It can also exacerbate negative traits such as greed or selfishness. Understanding this amplification effect can help us make conscious choices about how we utilize our wealth. The way we give and spend our money is another important aspect to consider. Giving without expecting anything in return establishes a unique connection and relationship with money. It allows us to experience the joy of helping others and fosters a sense of abundance and gratitude. Likewise, how we choose to spend our money can reflect our values and priorities, shaping our overall happiness and satisfaction. It's important to recognize that finding a balance between work and personal life is essential for our overall happiness and satisfaction, regardless of our financial situation. While financial success is often associated with hard work and ambition, prioritizing our personal well-being and relationships is equally important. Taking time to nurture our passions, hobbies, and relationships outside of work can contribute to a more fulfilling and balanced life. Surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals can have a significant impact on your financial success. Building a wealth network can provide support, motivation, and valuable connections that can help propel you towards your financial goals. When you surround yourself with like-minded individuals, you have the opportunity to share knowledge, strategies, and resources. These individuals can offer insights and guidance based on their own experiences, helping you navigate the path to financial success more effectively. Additionally, being around people who have a wealth mindset can influence your own mindset and beliefs about money. By surrounding yourself with individuals who are driven, ambitious, and financially successful, you are more likely to adopt similar attitudes and behaviors. This can help you develop a positive relationship with money and cultivate a mindset of abundance and wealth. It's also important to distance yourself from individuals who drain your vitality and hinder your financial progress. Negative influences can hold you back and prevent you from reaching your full potential. Seeking money and respecting it is crucial for establishing a positive relationship with wealth. While money is not the sole measure of success, it is an important tool that can provide opportunities and freedom. By valuing money and recognizing its potential, you can develop a healthy mindset towards wealth and take the necessary actions to achieve financial success. As we come to the end of this transformative video, it's time to reflect on the powerful insights we've gained about mastering the wealth mindset. By embracing this mindset, we have the potential to revolutionize our approach to life and open doors to abundance in all areas. I hope you found the information in this video valuable and thought-provoking. If you did, I kindly ask you to show your support by giving us a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. By doing so, you'll ensure that you never miss out on the valuable content we provide. I encourage you to leave your thoughts and comments in the section below. Your insights and experiences might just inspire and help others on their journey towards financial success and personal development. As we part ways for now, I want to extend my heartfelt blessings to you on your manifestation journey. May you continue to align your goals, values, and mindset for abundance and success in every aspect of your life. Until we meet again in our next video, remember to keep manifesting your dreams and aspirations. Good luck, and may all your endeavors be blessed with prosperity and fulfillment. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to connecting with you again soon.